Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can share a space on GitHub, for example, to invite coworkers or co-editors to work with you on that space and all repositories, files, and issues within the given space. So let us dive into this. Head over to GitHub, log into your account, and from your dashboard, navigate to this menu on the left-hand side and navigate to Copilot. From there, guys, what you want to do is click into Spaces and select the space you would like to go with. Alternatively, click into these three dots and select Share. After that, you will see the users with access to the given space. So you will be most likely listed here as the admin, but you can of course invite GitHub users by clicking into this field and by entering the username there. Alternatively, guys, there's also that invitational link. You may use it. Click into it to copy it to your clipboard, and you may use it to invite co-editors, for example, to the given space via direct messaging services. Also, guys, don't forget to change the general access or visibility here from restricted to anyone with the link, or if you'd like to make it go private again, select restricted. With anyone with the link, anyone basically with access to the link will be able to join the given space, and that's basically it. So let me return it to restricted. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.